And what was happening in South Africa, we found that the property market had slowed down. It slowed down because of lack of confidence. It slowed down because of affordability. So what does that mean? That now means that there's more stock available. It means that there's less property buyers looking to purchase property. There's an argument there that says, maybe now's not the right time to sell. Let's wait. And already as interest rates dropped, 2024, 2025, already we're seeing more applications going through. We're seeing more buyers coming into the market. So you also need to keep an eye on what is happening in the marketplace. And of course, yes, through the SA Property Investors Network, through our webinars and our communications, we do track the market. We do look at the trends in the market, and we do get good ideas for when is the best time to buy or sell a property. But I want you to remember, property is around supply and demand. When there's a big supply, too much of a supply, that's the best time to buy because there's so much stock available. But you go back to your 2020